So, now this is just a tool, right? Because otherwise it should be a glove and all that stuff. I don't think we have enough gloves. So I'm just using this as a tool for the hits, kind of like when you're doing this. So that would be right here. So on the Sarada position, you'll hit this muscle. So the same technique as I with the power. Okay? Follow up in my head. Okay? Nice, again. Okay, good. So we find that move. I don't want that twist. I don't need that. I want just this, right? Yes. It's kind of like when you punch again. When you punch, hold, see, there. Yes. I don't want that. I don't want that extra move because the power, as we have established already here, an hour ago, the power is on the wrist and the elbow. Nice, nice, good job. So it's now economy motion, right? No retraction, no recoil. Pa! You're gonna hit the hand, follow up on the head. Pa, pa! That's how Edgar teaches. So pa, 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 pa! Without words. It's all about pa, pa! Pa, pa! Relax. Reset. Nice. You're overextending too much energy on the front. Pass. Okay. Nice. Try and move. Nice. Relax in the foot. Relax. Come on. Backwards. Nice. Nice. See that second strike? When you do the second strike, you don't have to do this and then go. No, it's the ending form of my first strike is this. So that becomes my beginning form. That's why it becomes like this. It's kind of similar to the empty hands that we do later on self-defense. Leading strikes. So you hear it back. So our motion is very effective. Go. Okay. For now, you do it, right?
Yes, sir.
When you do this, you're going to go effective. Start right here, and this, and then you're going to control. And here, stop. He's not my friend. He wants to take me out. I'd rather have that arrogance than fear. Going back to that, again, the economy of motion is that he's hitting on his second strike without recoil. So, nice. Reset.